This is not recent news and this is not good news. There are new regulations. It's not just Canada, I know it's California and several other American states that just prevent using the old formula of dechlorinated carbon brake cleaner solvents. So they are being replaced with something that's full with acetone, and not only doesn't dry fast, it's not as efficient as the old brake cleaner, but also it's eating gloves, nitrile gloves, gets into your blood straight through your skin and from there into your liver. Great. These regulations at some point, and it's not necessarily just because they are do-yourself people at home, but this is products that are being used in the automotive industry by garages and mechanics and so on and so on and so on. And there was someone here, this one, maybe read this comment, says he's in the chemicals industry, and he knows about these changes, and indeed there is just a phasing out of the good old formula of brake cleaner solvents, and there's nothing you can do about it unless you still live in one of the states that hasn't been yet affected by this. And yes, it's hard to comment on this. It's hard to comment sometimes, you know. It's not like something like ice, I don't know, I'm saying just like that, ice cream. Everybody is eating ice cream. These are products that some specific people need to work with them, need to use them, and we're safer and we're more efficient, and now they are being phased out because for a tiny microscopic amount of, I don't know, maybe pollution or something like this, for the amounts it was used, for the quantities what was produced, how much it did really change the environment. I mean, is that 0.0000001% change? I mean, at some point you need to, I don't know, just kind of reason or be reasonable somehow. Just my point, just sharing this with you.